Good night, teacher and partners. Step 6. Prepare technology negotiation. My proposal for software commercialization is definition of the IP involved. To ensure that the manager of a company can measure the achievement of its strategy in real time and make continuous monitoring the software company work for the designing of an application that meet this condition. Protection. To maintain the protection of the software, and since it is an intangible essence, it must be done through copying of the first instance. This software can also be patented that no one can make illicit reproduction. Value method. The software company manages a very competitive cost with respect to the competition since is present a cost saving of 15 and top of the competition 20%. General condition of the license. The license will be valid of 20 years with an exclusive option to listen and sub-listen the copyright of the software. You may not work around the technical limitation of the software, reverse engineer, the compile or disassemble the software except and only to the extent that applicable law expressly permits. Despite this limitation, make more copies of the software than especially in this agreement or permitted by applicable laws. Despite this limitation, publish the software for other copies, rent, lease, or loan the software, transfer the software or this agreement or third party, or use the software for commercialization software hosting. This is all. Thank you.